Strap in, crew! We're heading to Planet Geometry!
We're sketching all kinds of lines and angles today. Let's go!
Great! First up, draw a line segment. Draw a line segment AB.
That's segment AB, a straight path with two endpoints. It starts at A, ends at B. Draw a ray CD.
That's ray CD. One endpoint at C, it shoots off past D, like a laser that keeps going. Draw a straight line through points E and F.
Line EF goes through E and F and keeps going forever both ways. Arrows show no ends.
When two rays meet at a point, they form an angle.
Here's a right angle. Perfect 90-degree corner.
This one's acute, sharp and less. And this one is obtuse, wide and relaxed.
Parallel lines run side by side, never meet.
Intersecting lines cross each other.
Perpendicular lines intersect and make a right angle.
Start with definitions. A point is a location with no size. A segment has two ends. A ray has one end and one direction. A line extends both ways.
Then kinds of angles can be found by measure. Acute less than 90 degrees, right equals 90 degrees, obtuse greater than 90 degrees.
Line relationships like parallel and perpendicular depend on directions and angles at intersections. Oops! Just because two lines look close doesn't mean they're parallel.
You need arrows or angle marks to show if a shape is perpendicular. Check definitions.
Mission check. Line segment, ray, line. Yes!
Angles. Right. Acute. Obtuse. Got 'em.
Lines, relationships, parallel, intersecting, perpendicular. Check.
You're a lines and angles legend!